Magandang araw sa inyong lahat. June and Susan, congratulations on this beautiful new chapter in your lives. I'm sorry that I cannot be with you today, but I am deeply honored to stand as one of your principal sponsors. Susan, bilang bahagi ng kababaihang liberal, dala mo ang malasakit, tapang, at paninindigang pinahalagahan ng ating samahan. Naway maging gabay din ang mga ito sa inyong pagsasama ni June, lalo na sa pakikinig, pag-unawa, at pagharap sa bawat hamon ng magkasama. May your home always be filled with laughter, patience, and a love that grows stronger through every season. Congratulations and best wishes to you both. Laban lang at magmahalan palagi.